Having trouble with Microsoft Store not opening or working on your Windows PC? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this quick and straightforward tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to fix the Microsoft Store and get it up and running smoothly. Say goodbye to those frustrating issues and hello to hassle-free app downloads and updates. Let's troubleshoot together and have your Microsoft Store back in action. To resolve Microsoft Store not opening or working, Step 1. Check Internet connection. Step 2. Restart computer. Step 3. Update Windows. Step 4. Reset store using WS reset command. Step 5. Clear store cache and settings. Step 6. Disable proxy in network settings. Step 7. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Step 8. Re-register Microsoft Store with PowerShell. Step 9. Verify third-party antivirus interference. Step 10. Consider reinstalling Store via PowerShell. After these steps, check if Microsoft Store functions correctly.